I remember this Hellcat. It's been here for like years, since I first started working here, since 2019. They had this like on display. I don't know if there's like an engine in it or anything, but it's still here. They didn't move it. They closed the factory, but it's still here. It has like the crazy Brembo brakes with the, I think these are called devil's rims or something like that. And this car has like, the whole suspension is there. You can see the suspension right there, and there's an exhaust, there's brake lines. I think this is like a complete car. I don't know if there's an engine in it, but it's a complete car. It's not like a phony car. The tires are flat. I don't think no one ever came out here to like put air in it or anything, and it has like the wheel weights and stuff. It's crazy. It has like, I don't know if you can see inside, but it has like the cloth seats with red and black, and it has like the full interior. It has a radio in there and all that stuff. It's a narrow body Hellcat. It has like the heated windows, mirrors, side mirrors. But it's crazy. Look, it has like black Brembos in the front and red Brembos in the back. I don't know if that's an option or they just like put it together like that. That's crazy. Has the Hellcat badge right there, and it has the, I think this was like the first hoods for the Hellcats, with like the 2 heat exhausts there and the air intake on the front right here. That's crazy. It has the Angel Eyes SRT and the front lip. It's pretty clean. Look, the engine is probably there because you could like see the radiator, but I don't know if the engine is there. Has the, this side has the black Brembos in the front and the red Brembos in the back. I don't know if this was an option from the factory. Well, it's pretty clean, and it has the matte black hood, the matte black roof, matte black trunk with the spoiler. It looks good. It has a reverse camera right there. It looks broken, but it's there. And the quad, not quad tips, these are dual tips, like rectangular shape. It's crazy.